If your production volume isn't high, but you insist on buying a multi-head machine that ends up sitting idle most of the time, it's definitely not cost-effective. On the other hand, if you actually need a large production volume, but you still use a single head machine, that's not cost-effective either. As a business, you need to make decisions based on your own positioning. So I think every customer has their own internal scale to weigh these things because you know your future direction and positioning and what your product requirements are. That's how you should decide between a single head or multi-head machine. Whether it's a single head or multi-head machine, the ultimate goal is the same, to produce a good product. It's not that single head machines can't be used. Some people use single head setups and still produce excellent products. It just comes down to whether their current products are suitable for that approach. Of course, as for our company, we basically stopped making single head machines without annealing as early as 2013. After that, we continued to produce single wire machines with continuous annealing. By working backwards from multi-head machines, we applied some of the multi-head wire drawing technologies to single head machines. The goal is to revitalize the traditional so-called single head wire drawing because there is still a large customer base that specifically wants single head machines and must adapt to this market. As a company, we definitely need to cater to different customer groups, so we are gradually improving our offerings. However, our positioning is to set very high standards for these products. First, the speed definitely can't be the same as before. Second, the entire workmanship and process must also follow our latest standards and must be innovated. We can no longer stick to traditional ways of thinking.